If you're still on Windows 10 but want to stay competitive, it's time for a change. Let's dive into Windows 11. October 14th, 2025, mark the date. That's when Microsoft says goodbye to Windows 10 support. What does this mean for your business? Think cybersecurity threats, compatibility issues, and operational chaos. Switching to Windows 11 isn't just an update, it's a business upgrade. Enhanced security with hardware-based isolation, encryption, and advanced malware protection. Faster load times, better multitasking, and optimized hardware use. Plus, it's future-proof, keeping your business ready for the latest tech. But we get it, upgrading can be tricky. Hardware compatibility, data migration, downtime, and user training. That's where Impress IT Solutions comes in. We assess your current setup, offer cost-effective solutions, and minimize downtime by working during off-peak hours. Plus, we provide top-notch security and user training to keep your team running smoothly. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Impress IT Solutions today, and let's create your roadmap to Windows 11. Impress IT Solutions, leading the way in IT support for Houston businesses.